Sean at Cowtown USA. We are looking at a 2008 Elite 2-horse with a living quarters in it. As you go down the side here, it's got a power awning with a weather shield. It's got the full armor plating going down the side of it. It has got a hydraulic jack, propane bottles, lockable battery box. It's got since it's a 2-horse, it's got the escape door here. Open it up here. It's got your water tank, automatic waters in it, fan, and it's a straight load, which you could take that out and you could use it as a toy hauler. Just a very, very versatile trailer. Close that. It's got the camp boxes on the side of it, so when you're out camping, drop that down. You've got a lot of storage on the outside. Use it as a table. Everything that you need right there. The awning goes all the way back to the back, so it's got a big awning running down the side of the trailer. It's got 50-50 rear doors. Like I said, it is a straight load, or you could take it, that divider all comes out and you could use it as a toy hauler. It's got drop down windows on the face side, ladder, hay rack. It's got your swing away horse ties. Tires are like brand new. They're great shape on this trailer. We've got another box right here for storage on the outside. Step back here. This trailer is a very, very, very neat trailer with a lot of uses. Now we'll slip over and we'll look at the living quarters. It's got a bunkhouse interior in it, so it's a solid wood interior. Swinging right here, we got a couch that makes into a bed. Lots of cabinets. You got your sink, your stove top, your refrigerator. It's got good steps to the bed, and they're pretty neat. They're tooled. Lots of cabinets in the nose on both sides. Got the LED track lighting. It's got the day-night shades. Here in the bathroom, it's got your vanity with your medicine cabinet, pass-through door. It's got a mirror on the pass-through door. And then it's got your shower. Guys, if you're interested in this trailer or any of our other used trailers, go to Cowtown USA Inc.com. That's Cowtown USA Inc.com, or give us a call at 573-885-6300.